Welcome to Excel with Chef Jack. I know everyone is excited to be here, and so we'll just jump right in. Hopefully, you've watched the other two videos on the intro to Excel and the sales sheet. And now we will start to build actually the sheets that will record what we sell each week. So we'll create one sheet and then we'll just basically copy and paste it for the other sections. So we'll start with the soup, but then once that's done, then we'll create a salad, a small plate, an entree, dessert, and beverage. So I'm just going to backtrack a little bit. Normally when you write in Excel, type it in, it'll just start here, and it just will continue on to the next cell. Sometimes it'll default to that sideways section, otherwise you have to do it yourself. And yours is already programmed to do it, but I'll just show you how to do it. So you click into the cell, so we're at A1 again, and then what I want to do, I want to broadcast this across the whole row. I don't want to do just this one cell, so I'm going to click right on this one. You can see everything is shaded, and then you're going to come up here and hit this angle clockwise, and then now you'll see now it looks more like your sheet. And then you can also hit this wrap text over here. Will go from just one long line to it'll wrap it, so it makes it a little bit easier to read. So that's two nice features, is this angle and the wrap text. Another thing on your sheet, it was already done, but I'll just backtrack a little bit. Again, we want soups, so instead of writing soup all the way down, you can just highlight it, catch the corner. That's my favorite saying, catch the corner. But I'm gonna bring it all the way down here. But if you notice, as it overwrote, it takes this cell and it overwrites all of these. So we lost our lines here. But if you notice, there's this little drop down autofill options. We're going to click it and we're going to click fill without formatting. So I'm going to go click fill, and then now notice that these lines came back in. So that's one nice little feature when you're working over here and you are copying formulas down, so that you don't lose all your lines. You come down to this autofill option box. All right, so soup, and again these numbers will be generated by the computer. We've got the item name, and I'm just going to put in some numbers here so that we can see what's going on, so that you trust me, because I know some of you don't really trust me, but that's all right. You will. Give me time. I'll win you over. Anyways, so we got number sold is, going forward we'll just refer to it as NS. So you could do, again with Excel, you could do it a couple different ways. You could come up to auto sum, and then since there's numbers in there, Excel kind of knows what you want to do, so that it'll be 6. Or if you wanted to write a formula, you could also write a formula, that plus that plus that. Either way, either one is good. So then that's going to be the same formula all the way down. So I'm just going to catch the corner, copy it down, and then don't forget your fill without formatting. Then we kept their lines. And then you can, sometimes I just put in numbers, just going forward, so that we've got something to make sure that we're doing everything correctly. Menu price, most of the soups are $5, so I'll just automatically put $5 in here. And you can see it's already formatted to the dollar, but if it wasn't, you could just come up here and click. So most of the soups are going to be $5, so again I'm just going to copy this down, fill without formatting. Not sure what happened there, but so even I mess up sometimes. Actually I mess up a lot, but that's alright. Fill without formatting. Alright, I think I went out of my preview screen. So total sale, and I just put a dollar here instead of an S. And a lot of times in the parentheses, it's going to tell you what the equation is. So it's NS, which is number sold, times the price. So go equal that times that, $30. I hope you guys like my sound effects. Just trying to make it a little fun. It's got to be fun, right? All right. So now you can see how quickly you can really build these sheets quick. And then once we get this formatted, we can just copy and paste it to the other sheets. You don't have to keep on recreating this. All right, so before we go, now we'll continue on I here. So subtotal for week 1. So you're going to go click on that cell where you want the information to end up. Go to auto sum, and now Excel is going to take the whole column, which we don't want. But we're going to click, just left click up here, catch the corner, and then hit enter. It's 85. And then we can quickly do the rest. So now we've got the, and then if we do put in a number here, say we sold a couple here, well, 43, that's a lot. We'll just back it down. Boom, it changes all the way. So far we're looking good. Now, percent of total sold per category. So that's total sold, total sales divided by the week. So that kind of gives you an idea of how well each menu item sells. And then that'll help you once you start to establish your all-star menu, you can start to use these percentages. So anyways, so equal total sale, which is this guy, divided by weekly subtotal. So now we have to scroll down here, click on him. Now he's red. So up here, and what do you think we're going to have to do, because we're going to copy this formula down? You got it. F4, dollar signs. Woohoo! There we go. These little things get me excited. We'll just copy it down. Don't forget to do the formatting, because otherwise you'll lose your line. And so then it's the same here. And then now this time I'm going to show you a little bit of a shortcut. Just because I'm a nice guy. So now you've got this. You've got the formula there. So you could copy this formula here or just go all the way down. But I would go just here. Fill without formatting. But now this one is 28, but it should be 29 because you want it 29 here. So you can just go into the formula bar, change it to 9. Then you can see down here, hit enter, and then do the same thing. Change it to 30. Catch the corner. Gotta like those sound effects. And then change it to 31. So now you dropped here at blue. Boom. Beautiful. Hit enter. Copy it down. Fill without formatting. Perfect. See how easy this is? It's like fun. All right, so our next column is customer count linked from the sales sheet. So we want the number to be here. So we're going to go to the sales sheet. And I modified this a little bit just so that you could, see what's going on here. So and this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, because we're open Tuesday and Wednesday in theory. So to keep it consistent, week 1 I did $100, week 2 $200, week 3, week 4, week 5, and then same with customer counts: 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. And then you can see. So what we want to do is link the customer counts from the first week. So you're going to copy and then go into the soup section, and then you're going to go up to paste and then paste link. Did something go wrong there? Yeah, we're good. All right. So when you click on that cell, it says it's coming from the sales sheet E3. So we're going to go back. Copy, paste, link. Yay. Copy. I'm trying to do it too fast. All right. So you guys get the idea. So I think with that, I think I've given you enough information to start working on your sheet. And then let's see, I'm just trying to get this done. I'll kind of highlight this quicker. I can't talk and think at the same time. And then you're going to put in the subtotals again for each week. So you're going to go auto sum, but you want week 1. And you can copy an extra cell just in case we do have 3 days of service. That way it would catch the extra Thursday. And then you can tell if you're doing it right because week 1 has got 2 1s, week 2 has got 2 2s, so you've got 4. So we'll just finish the rest up. So you got week 3, week 4, week 5. And I think with that, we'll call it a wrap. Now it's your turn to do Excel. Enjoy.